Hello students, Sai Ram. Welcome to our computer online class. Hope you all are fine. Good? Yes. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 5, Cloud Computing. Cloud computing, it refers to the services that are occurred over the internet, that is present at remote location. That is, the servers may be from USA, from Japan, from Europe, so that we can access through the internet. For example, if you want to open a company, you need office setup, that is, you need office space, hardware, software, services, etc. But if there are 100 employees, you need 100 computers. But if for any reason the employees quit the job or your company is in loss, then you have to shut down your business. That is waste of resources. But with the help of cloud computing, we can store, manage and process data on the remote servers. So, what is this cloud computing? It is a technology that provides resources and services over the internet. So, what are these resources? Resources include email messages, music, photos, videos, programs, web applications, servers, storage and many more. Means you can see the videos who will send from the other country simultaneously. You can see the videos, photos, everything with the help of internet. Same thing, services. What is the services? These services include accessing the softwares and storing the files online. Means instead of accessing these resources and services locally on your computer, you can access them on the cloud. You can access them on the cloud. That is, we choose cloud storage instead of storing data locally on the hard drive. On your hard drive, on your hard disk, it is not stored. It is be stored in the cloud. So, this cloud storage is an internet service that provides storage facility to the computer users. So, what are these? Why the people choose this cloud computing? And these are the reasons for, that is, first one, that is accessibility, cost saving, space saving and scalability. That is, accessibility means data and applications are available worldwide from any computer or device with an internet connection. So, with the use of internet connection, the data and applications from the worldwide can be accessed. Cost saving. Cost saving means the expansion of the software and high-end hardware shifts away from the user. So, we can save the money if you use cloud computing. And space saving. Space saving, that is, floor space required for servers and other hardwares shift away from the user. Scalability. Scalability means it provides the flexibility to increase or decrease the computing requirements as per the need. That is, you can scale up or scale down That is, if there is traffic increases on the website, like in the festival of Diwali, everyone does online shopping. If the traffic increases on the website, then we can scale up. We can add 2 more servers to that. And for that, you have to pay as per the use. After Diwali, you can scale down. So this facility is available. So with the cloud computing, users can access the files and use the applications from any device that can access the internet. Now, what are these advantages of cloud computing? Cloud computing is probably the most efficient method to use, maintain, and upgrade. It eliminates the capital expenses of buying hardware and software and other infrastructures. It allows user to get large storage capacity. So if you are having less storage capacity in your desktop, in your laptop, so you can use the cloud computing to store large data. So it allows the users to access the files on the internet from any computer that has internet access. Means the users can access the files from any computers. And also the user can allow others to access their files. The users can allow to access their files with the help of internet. It makes data backup easier and less expensive. It allows the users to view time-critical data and images immediately. That is, if you take the X-ray report or blood report from any pathology, the same record can be visible from the doctor available in another place. That is real time. It provides updated versions of softwares as well as upgrades to the servers and computer processing power. So automatically the softwares will be updated. No need to update the softwares individually. So these are the advantages of cloud computing. So cloud computing is an internet technology that provides services to the computer users. So there are many service providers that provide various types of services and that are free or they charge a fee. So many organizations like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, Microsoft Azure, Oracle Cloud, Dropbox, OneDrive, iCloud. So there are many service providers. They have started implementing the cloud services like storage, network, hardware and software. That is, if user doesn't have storage on their personal computer, storage on the cloud can be utilized. So there are many service providers. So what are the characteristics of this cloud computing? So characteristics of this cloud computing are on-demand self-service, elasticity, pay-per-use, resource pooling. What is this on-demand self-service? On-demand. Okay, that is users are able to get the cloud computing resources for almost any type of workload on demand and without requiring the human interactions. That is, mainly it is done through a web-based self-service portal. That is, if you want resources for 10 days, then service provider will give access for the 10 days. That is, you have to pay for 10 days and you have to use that. It is on-demand self-service. Next, what is that? Second, that is elasticity. That is, suppose if you have a XYZ business and you are running your business with 4 servers. At the time of Diwali, your demand increases. So what happened? So then you need to add 3 more servers. So but what happens? But after Diwali, it's not so used. So what you will do? With the help of cloud computing, companies can scale up the resources or scale down the resources. That is elasticity. Scale up, yeah, scale down. Pay per use. Third is pay per use. Pay per use means in cloud computer, your computer resources are measured and you have to pay for resources and workloads you use. Last is resource pooling. Resource pooling allows the cloud providers to pool large-scale IT resources to serve multiple cloud consumers. Resources can be storage, memory, network, bandwidth, virtual machines which can be consumed by cloud users. So, resource pooling means that multiple customers are serviced from the same physical resources. Multiple customers are resourced. Next, what are the types? Which are the types of the clouds? So, mainly there are 4 types of cloud. First one is public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud and community cloud. So, what do you mean by public cloud? Public means, as the name itself indicates, public means it is for all. For example, anyone can be accessed by any organization or any individual. That is, it is open to all and store and access the information via internet. For example, Gmail, that is, with the help of Gmail login ID and password, you can use the Gmails, isn't it? So, no need to install the software and application, that is Gmail, you no need to install. So, in Gmail, and the usage is, it offers only 15 gigabytes. But if you want to increase the usage, then you have to pay and you can use this public cloud facility. So next, what is that private cloud? Private. So private means here the services, resources accessible within an organization. That is, it belongs to a specific organization. Private cloud, it belongs to a specific organization. It is managed by the third party or organization. That is, example, Infosys company. If one application is developed by the Infosys, only the employees of that can use that application. That is private. Here, there is more security and data privacy. In this private cloud, there is more security and data privacy, whereas public cloud, there is no security here. And what is this third one? Hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud means what? It is the combination of both public features and private features. Here, critical activities performed by the private and non-critical activities are performed by the public cloud. So, this is the combination of both public and private cloud. Next, what is this community cloud? Community cloud means what? It allows the services accessible by group of several organizations to share the information between organization and a specific community. So if there are 3 companies want to get the service from any service provider, then they can take. So it is less secure. It is less secure than this. So these are the types of clouds. Next, what is this? Services of the cloud computing. So there are many services. Cloud computing services are based on a pay-as-you-go model. So which are these? There are 3. That is infrastructure as a service, that is IaaS, software as a service, SaaS, and platform as a service, PaaS. So what do you mean by infrastructure as a service, IaaS? Infrastructure as a service provides infrastructures like servers, storage, network, operating systems over the internet on pay-as-you-go basis. It is most flexible cloud computing model. So examples of this: IBM Cloud, that is AWS, Oracle Cloud, and Google Cloud. These are the examples of IaaS. And what do you mean by SaaS? That is software as a service is the method of delivering software applications over the internet on demand and typically on a subscription basis. We need to install any softwares in our system. Here we need not install any softwares in our system. Only you have to create account in Google and use the services. That is mail, send, receive. Means you can use that services without installation. And this is the least control than IaaS. Next, third, and these examples, that is Google Drive, Gmail, Office 365. These are the examples. Here, maintenance of software and hardware are done by the vendor itself, by the service provider itself. And last one, what is this? Platform as a service, that is PaaS. Service, platform as a service. Platform as a service, it provides a cloud platform and allows developers to create, test, and run their programs website, etc. without having to purchase the hardware and software. That is developers uses this. For example, Force.com, Heroku's, Windows, Azure. These are the examples of platform as a service. So next, Google Docs. What is this Google Docs? Is a free for individual user. This does not need to be installed on any computer. We can access these applications and all documents whenever we need. There is no capability issues. Everyone is on the same version. And this Google Docs is used to create the documents online. And one more is there, that is Google Drive. Google Drive is used to store your work online. And in Google Docs, there are 3, that is document, spreadsheet, and presentation. Document means your Word file, spreadsheet, the Excel file, and presentation, that is the PPT. So these are used to create the documents online. And Google Drive is used to store your work online. So these 2 services are available on the cloud that we are using nowadays. So in the next session, I will teach you how to work practically on cloud computing by using Google Docs. Till then, thank you. Take care.